So here we have both of the microphones of the keyboards. Both of these were €100, and the one from Logitech, and the one that is from Razer Ornata Chroma. I decided to go with this one. Budget was €100. I didn't want to spend a lot of money with a keyboard just yet, so I decided to just test both of these and make my decision after a while. I decided to go for the Logitech G810 and with the Razer Ornata Chroma, and this should be the first version, I guess. So let's open up the Ornata Chroma and see what's inside. So nice packaging overall. Just what you are expecting from Razer. Just good packaging, product well protected. Let's open it. So we have here a book that is just the manual. No, never reading this. I might after a while. Here you have the keyboard. You can pull this. This should be the rest. So very nice packaging. Don't worry that it will damage. This won't get any damage at all. Good quality overall. This is what you expect from Razer. This should be where you rest your wrist, so you don't get any pain after typing or a big typing session. So a big plus. The wrist rest with a Razer logo. It's just plastic with some nice texture to it. It should be very comfy when putting your wrist. Very good. This is the keyboard itself. Nice feeling. Definitely just made of plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap whatsoever. A bit clicky, but not like bothering with the sound. It isn't that bad. It's not that you get like crazy sound out of it. Just it is quite good. Here you have some strap that you can use in order to organize for some cable management, which is a big plus for me. I like having everything tidy. We will put this on a MacBook and see how it looks. On the MacBook we will see. I mean, this is a Windows keyboard, but you can use this with a Mac. I'm using it with a Mac at this moment just to check it out. I mean, it's pretty cool. Backlighting is working just well. Let's turn off the light and see how it looks. So you can see that it has just this cool effect. I guess you can download some software from Razer to manage all the colors or color combination and play with it with applications. I understood that you can have X files attached to a certain profile in order to have the keys in some colors. Or let's say that if you use Adobe Premiere, that you have some keys that you really like, you can just map them and use them as you want. So this is the Razer keyboard. Oh, this is magnetic, I guess. Yeah, this is magnetic. The wrist rest is magnetic, so it's really cool. You don't have to click them or anything. And it's pretty comfy, I have to say. It feels good. Laying the wrist. I was expecting it to be a bit gimmicky, like you just, but it is pretty comfy. So I'm pretty impressed about this keyboard. Just being at this price point from Razer. So this at the side, let's get into the Logitech keyboard. So this should be a pretty cool microphone keyboard as well. same price point, just from Logitech. This one doesn't have a wrist rest, so yeah, the Razer has a big plus for me. I like having my wrist rested in the right position. Let's see. This is just a piece of paper. This one is really tough though. So on presentation, I will give it to the Razer one. It looks way more premium. Logitech just gives it really basic, I guess. Yeah, the presentation is just way better from Razer. This one is way more heavy than the Razer one. Yeah, this one is way more heavy. Way heavier. Just a regular manual, nothing interesting in the packaging. I have to say that this one feels way more premium than the Razer. Like the finish, and I don't know, it has like a more robust feeling to it. It is, I don't know how to explain it, but it feels way more premium, the keyboard itself. I don't know if it is the weight or the materials that they have applied. Also really good feeling when typing, not too crazy with the sound, just yeah, it is not annoying at all. If you don't like sound, or I would say that this will be a great keyboard or a great mechanical keyboard. The good thing with this one is that you have way more buttons that you can use, like the volume, you have to silence, and just way like a bit more shortcuts that you don't have with the Razer one. Let's plug it to the MacBook Pro and see how it looks. This one also needs software from Logitech to map the colors or the RGB colors and adjust them as you can use them for certain applications. You can attach them to X files as well and use them as you need to. Plug in this. This one doesn't have cable management, so you don't have that nice little strap that you can use for cable management. So that's one thing. You can see this is pretty cool. It's the same. You have the RGB colors going on and off. You can again map them to certain applications and have them mapped as you want for a first-person shooter, for applications, for Adobe applications. You can use the shortcuts and have the buttons stand out more that you regularly use to find them easier. I mean, it is pretty clean. Both of them look really good. So yeah, I will just test them for a week. I will just keep one of these, so I will have a review posted. I will also upload this unboxing to YouTube, and we'll give you guys feedback after a week and see which one I kept. Both of them attached. Yeah, I will say the Razer looks clean as well. I just think that the Logitech looks doesn't look, but feels way more premium. This one looks a bit plasticky, but then again the keys themselves are way lower than the Logitech ones. This one really stand out, and if you compare the clicking, this is from the Razer, this is from the Logitech. So you have a bit more mechanical feeling with this one, with the Razer. If you like that, if you like this sound, you should go with the Razer. If you boil with the sound, you might as well go with the Logitech. Both of them look really cool. I personally like the Logitech a bit more than the Razer one. the only thing that might hold me back from keeping the Logitech is a refresh, which I find to be a big plus. But then again, I will test them for a week, and I will get back to you with unboxing on YouTube and a review on both of them.
Whether you buy these two keyboards, I will throw a link on the description down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and of course don't forget to check out my Instagram account. See you on the next unboxing.